Today is November 24. I will share Dropi daily combo cards of today. Today all cards in the Innovate. Now click Innovate and search first card. I will select first card self executing governance. Now click and update. First card update complete. Now I will search second card. I will select second card cross chain asset sweep. Now click and update. Second card update complete. I will search third card. I will select third card zero gas fee protocol. Now click and update. Third card update complete. Now I will click on the claim price.